From drones that fly themselves to AI earbuds that translate in real time, these next-level gadgets from 2025 will blow your mind. Stick around till the end. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Wearable. The Wearable looks like ordinary earbuds, but it's hiding mind-blowing AI power. With just a tap, it can record meetings, lectures, or calls and instantly turn them into transcripts and summaries. It even creates to-do lists and translates in real time across 21 languages. From live subtitles to AI note-taking, these earbuds don't just play music. They redefine productivity and communication. Mind One Pro. The Mind One Pro isn't your average smartphone. It's a SIM-free AI powerhouse. Using Novalink technology, it connects to the internet without a SIM card and works flawlessly across countries. It's ultra-compact, has a flip 50-megapixel Sony camera, and even supports a keyboard case with extra battery. Perfect for travelers and creators, this mini device proves that the future of phones is smaller, smarter, and borderless. Aura displays triple arrow. The Aura displays triple arrow is like turning your desk into a futuristic command center. It adds 3 extra screens to your setup using just one USB-C cable, boosting your productivity instantly. You can flip and rotate them any way you want. It's that flexible. While some say the refresh rate is a bit dated, the multi-screen power this setup gives you is absolutely mind-blowing. Ace Gadget M1A plus M2A. The Ace Gadget M1A and M2A are mini PCs with monster performance powered by 12th Gen Intel i9 CPUs and RTX 3060 to 460 GPUs. These tiny cubes crush heavy tasks like gaming and editing with ease. Despite their compact size, they stay cool and whisper quiet even under pressure. With futuristic designs and insane power, these machines prove that big performance can come in small packages. SwitchBot Hub 3. The SwitchBot Hub 3 is like giving your smart home a central brain upgrade. It connects and controls all your smart devices from lights and TVs to sensors and thermostats all in one place. Setup might test your patience, but once it's running, it feels like your house just turned alive. This is the ultimate command center for any smart home lover. TCL D2 Pro. The TCL D2 Pro is no ordinary smart lock. It literally reads your palm to unlock your door. Forget keys or codes. This high-tech gadget uses advanced palm recognition that even works if your hands are wet or dirty. Plus, it keeps your data stored locally for total privacy and has auto lock and remote access features. It's like giving your home a futuristic security upgrade. Loop Flashlight. The Loop Dot Flashlight isn't just a light. It's a tiny tech powerhouse. It combines 3 gadgets in one. A spotlight, floodlight, and even a dot matrix display that shows animations, signs, and games. You can mount it on your bike or use it as a fidget gadget with its satisfying clicky dial. It's more than a flashlight. It's a mini entertainment device disguised as one. Hover Air Aqua. The Hover Air Aqua is a drone that doesn't just fly, it thinks for itself. Completely waterproof and built for extreme sports. This drone uses millimeter wave radar to stay perfectly above water while tracking you automatically. No remote, no pilot, just pure AI flight magic. It records your adventures in super stable 4K while speeding at 34 miles per hour. This isn't a drone. It's your personal flying cameraman. Music, EcoFlow Trail Series DC. The EcoFlow Trail Series DC is an absolute game share for outdoor lovers. With its massive 60,000 mAh battery, it keeps all your gadgets alive during long trips. It's super portable, drop resistant, and powerful enough to charge phones, laptops, or cameras anywhere. Whether you're camping or on the road, this beast ensures you'll never run out of power. It's the ultimate survival gadget. Hodo Snap Lock. The HOD2 Snap Lock is like a mini tech workshop that fits in your hand. It's a 3-in-1 toolkit featuring a precision screwdriver, a rotary tool, and a mini drill, all connected magnetically with a satisfying snap. Perfect for tech repairs, art projects, or DIY fixes. Compact yet powerful, it turns any workspace into a portable repair lab. This is a next-level innovation for creators and makers. Love 7-in-1. The Lovac 7-in-1 is a camping gadget from the future. It packs a spotlight, floodlight, ambient light, fan, Bluetooth speaker, air pump, and mosquito repellent, all in one powerful device, perfect for outdoor adventures. It keeps you cool, lit, and entertained anywhere. Some users wish it included repellent mats, but still, this multi-tool beast redeems outdoor convenience. OITA Station 2. The Elite Station 2 isn't just a charger. It's a smart energy command center. This all-in-one hub charges, tests, and monitors your batteries with insane precision. Its polarity management system means no more worrying about inserting batteries the wrong way. It even checks battery health automatically. The only catch, it doesn't support third-party lithium cells. But for pure efficiency, it's a powered geek's dream. Gerber Stakeout Spark. The Gerber Stakeout Spark is the ultimate survival multi-tool built for true adventurers. Packing 10 tools in one. It includes sharp blades, pliers, a saw, tent stake puller, and even a fire starter. Everything you need for the wild. Rugged, compact, and razor sharp right out of the box. It's the kind of gear that makes you feel ready for anything, anywhere. Live Straw Escape. The Live Straw Escape isn't just a water filter. It's a life-saving device every explorer needs. Using a 3-stage purification system, it wipes out viruses, bacteria, and dirt, giving you safe drinking water anywhere. It's so powerful, it can purify up to 1 liter per minute completely manually. No power needed. Whether you're hiking, camping, or surviving the wild, this gadget could literally save your life. Infinite Machine Alto. The Infinite Machine. Alto looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a real futuristic epica built for city life. With a 40-mile range, smart anti-theft locks, and GPS tracking, it's designed for freedom and security. Its sleek, minimal design turns heads everywhere. This isn't just an epica. It's a next-gen urban machine redefining electric travel. These gadgets prove the future is already here, and it's smarter, faster, and cooler than ever. Check out the links in the description to explore every one of these mind-blowing innovations.